We Talk Football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Majid Naita, the legendary podcast
leadership
panelist in the country.
Leadership, how's it? No, good.
Yeah.
Leadership, we are gonna Sundowns.
Yeah.
They are coming all right in terms of our combination amasha because remember, Sundowns and Pirates right now what they are doing is find a fight.
Yeah, but
they are losing players
left, right and center.
There's a pandemic I2
yeah.
in South African football right now.
Mm-hmm.
Renovation of stadiums.
Yes.
And injury of players.
Why?
You must notice football is a game of patterns. Why?
Yeah.
Player, especially key players.
Yes.
So I'm very worried about our key players in all these key teams.
Yes.
Because we need PSL need to stand up and try and protect our players.
Yeah.
They really need to do better to try and protect our players.
Yes.
Our players which are limal. Left, right, center. It means he needs to take a cat out of the bag.
As well grounding
and put it in the ground. You understand? Because siyalimala kunzima bafethu. So I don't know what the plan is, but ngibonile center pairing yakhe ayisebenzi. Olise is not doing the things what he's supposed to be doing.
Oh, the French international.
Amen. Mara ukuthi namhla bayobashaya ngibone ngomthiba.
Yeah.
Bafaka umthiba as a strike. I knew that moment ukuthi sekubethini. Umthiba, if it was not for Umthiba, the goalkeeper ngaba kalimalanga.
Yeah.
Because Umthiba is not clinical. You understand? Amasantawana, they're busy making fun namabhakane about Umbuchuma. But it's not Umthiba who's not clinical. Umthiba is not clinical at all.
Yeah.
So now you've got Umthiba. When last did Umthiba score a goal? What was Zami Panenka la Pangazi Panenka ya?
Penalty.
You understand that guy is just not clinical. It's not Pirates. It's not Sundowns material. Then I can tell you there are players who Sundowns who were there, but they are not Sundowns material. Ulion has been figured it out. Bamboni the Bam figured it out, man. Bam pocketed it.
Yeah.
There's nothing he's going to do. If it's like this season, Uzosha maybe 12 goals. 12 goals if it's like. Bambonile.
Yeah.
Phela ubaskemile ngithi naye.
Yeah.
Lana maskema zovela la. Watch this season. Look at the likes of, I can tell you now without a shadow of a doubt.
Yeah.
Top 4.
Yeah.
Between the top 3 teams.
Yes.
Pirates, Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
One of them is going to be number 4 at the end of the season. Pure fact. One of them is going to be number 4. And the Kaizer Chiefs, what makes them dangerous is because they don't know what type of football they are playing. But find. No one knows what system they are playing. So how do you stop a team that you don't even know what system they are playing?
Yeah.
You don't even know who is going to play next.
Yeah.
Even now, no coach akakwazi ukuthi uyodlala next game.
Yeah.
So they are very dangerous. Where else and I can see Orlando Pirates ne Amazon.
Yeah.
Ne Golden Arrows, I mean. I can see them go final.
Yeah.
Yeah, MTN 8.
Yeah.
And guess what's gonna happen? I need to battle the same style of football.
Yeah.
Because F1.
Yeah.
F1. F1, that will be a proper game.
Yeah.
So, but sometimes I don't see them coming back. I think they're out. Kesha's bit disappointed. I expected him to at least score a goal.
Yeah.
Or at least create a goal.
Yes.
Very disappointing. I wouldn't have filled Undlovu.
I
wouldn't even have put him in the lineup.
Yeah.
Team yakhe bayamazi bamazuthi operate kanjani.
Yebo.
Lentwana le usithole izobulala abantu lentwana.
Chef.
Uzobulala abantu lentwana, I'm telling you. I've seen the way nje they approach the game. And ucoach wenze kahle wamkhipha kusanesikhathi to avoid injury for the next game.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think so far so good. Orlando Pirates siyayithatha lento, MTN 8 siyayithatha. We're going nowhere. Idliwe. Sundowns Pirates is taking this thing 5 times in a row.
Yeah.
Nizoze nithi MTN Orlando Pirates Cup.
Yeah.
That's what's going to happen. Tatalento for the 5th time.
Yeah.
It's not stopping.
Yes.
No one is going to stop Orlando Pirates in this cup.
Yeah.
Not Golden Arrows, not Mamelodi Sundowns, no one. This cup belongs to Pirates.
except next season Kaizer Chiefs is
Angeke.
yeah.
Not Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Aye. Pirates is going to take this cup, is going to dominate this cup.
Yeah.
The reason why Kaizer Chiefs is not taking the cup is because they are sponsored by Vodacom.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you. Siyabonga.
Sure.
Sure leadership.
All